WTI. We are outside of my trunk because I have this awesome trunk organizer, and I'm super excited about this because I don't know about you, but when you try to keep stuff stored in your trunk, it is super messy and all over the place. And we like to keep things in here on hand that we use frequently or things for emergency. So look how cool this Drive Auto Products trunk organizer is. It's got the 2 compartments and it's got this little snap. So you can have 2 larger compartments or 2 smaller ones on one side. So we keep our larger things here on the right, and then we have other things organized on the left. It keeps everything so nice and neat. I love it. And it's got these pockets in the front for loose items. And then if we turn it to the side, it's got this pocket with a little flap so you can keep things protected. So cool. And it fits so nicely in the trunk with plenty of room. That's just my point of view.